We visited Chilton LED in Dundee, Florida, where Chris Chilton compared his aging two-man bucket to his recently purchased Chariot Bucket Truck.
Most guys start with something like this, something used. I had no idea it was going to be very difficult to use.
What makes it difficult to use? Well, for one thing, it's an awfully big truck to fit into Florida's cramped streets and parking lots.
With this guy, it's all logistics. It's moving people out of the way. It's asking people nicely. It's waiting 20 to 30 minutes. It's a lot more than what you might think.
The Chariot is definitely easier to maneuver into and find parking in tight quarters.
The first thing when you get to any job is you've got to put your feet out, because if you don't, you're going to tip over. So we basically put our feet out. You see, everything has to get aggressively greased, and then you switch your hydraulics up to your bucket. So this has to be done for any movement that you want to do when you're on a job site. With the van ladder, I can just hop in, move it to the next spot, and we're up and working within literally a minute.
Another challenge with the bigger truck is the noise.
All right, so can you hear me? We have to shout over each other all the time, just to communicate while we're on a job.
The Chariot runs with the truck turned off.
Since the electric motors are unbelievably quiet, the person in the bucket has no problem communicating with someone on the ground.
Then there's the expense of operating a big truck.
This guy is manual. He's diesel. This guy I'll fill up for a day, day and a half job. It'll cost me about $100. The van ladder, I'll fill up once a week and we'll get 400 or 500 miles out of it. And if it's local jobs, we could go into the next week. Yeah, it's a bit of a mortgage per month just to afford the gas in this diesel boy.
Finally, there's the reliability issues of a used hydraulic truck.
It's old, so things aren't always necessarily going to work in the order that you want them to work in. Your controllers, okay? If a controller goes out, that's an OEM part. That takes almost 3 to 5 weeks to get. There's literally 1 or 2 vendors who I can get any of these controllers for, and they're $1,000 to $1,500 a pop. And you can expect that those are only going to last, maybe 2-3 years, because it's all outside components and nothing is sealed. All right, so van ladder, everything's sealed. This guy needed almost 2 to 3 months worth of rehabilitation. Now that we spent the $20,000 to get all the hydraulics redone, all the electrical redone, it's had a full rehab. That's the main reason why we had to get this van ladder, because this guy, when he's good, he's great, but when he's bad, he is terrible. For example, these are all my different pain points for, why we got the van ladder versus another one of these guys.
But even with its challenges, sometimes Chris needs his bigger truck.
Let's not trash on him, okay? This is a vital piece of equipment for lifting heavy signs. Now, the two of these guys together are a superpower team. I am not saying get rid of what you got. I'm saying add to what you have.
With his 2 young sons, Will and Dean, eager to learn the trade, Chris wanted a truck that made life easier. Easier to drive and maneuver into tight spaces, safer, simpler to use. A truck that's set up to tackle their typical day's work as efficiently as possible. He wanted a truck that could take most of the wear and tear off his big rig and give his boys a chance to split the work, one up in the air, the other handling things on the ground. Having everything they need for any install right there on the truck has been a game changer. Every tool has its place, neatly organized in its own compartment. And in the back, there's a massive 50-inch wide space stretching over 12 feet long, perfect for storing signage and keeping it protected from weather and road grime. It's one less thing to stress about, and one more way to keep the job moving.
We've had this since November of last year. It's March the 3rd today, and every week is something new. We find some new fun thing that we couldn't do before. This is a sign truck, okay? This is the 21st century sign truck. Hands down, for the value, for the ease of use, for the quickness of training and safety, the high level of safety, for the running cost, for the fact that all of the parts are easy to get. This is what 90% of the industry has.
Right.
This is what they should have.
The Chariot Bucket Truck, simplifying sign work.